Hi, this is MRQM Silvera, and I'm putting this video because another one I saw on the four gentlemen of Apocalypse, the four knights of Apocalypse, in mathematically, talking about mathematics, which are Cantor, Boltzmann, Godel and Turing. And this is more about the vision that Turing had, Turing halting problem, Turing halting perspective relating to Godel's incompleteness theorem. And this is a letter I write to my friend Odilon Otavio Luciano, a passionate, a great mathematician from Intituto de Matemática, Estatística da USP. Olá, Odilon, tudo bom? I'm going to read the letter now. And the title is kind of provoking, and you're going to see it. Computing versus acting. Could it be an equivalence? Okay, let's go. Dear Odilon, hi. The worldwide known mathematician Roger Penrose once defended the controversial thesis that there is something about mental acts that cannot be achieved by any artificial computer, which was noted by Abner Shimoni, is not dependent upon establishing the non-algorithmic character of human mathematical operations. The long, logically twisted Godelian argument used by Penrose seems to me to become unnecessary if we take a general principle of equivalence. What is it? A general principle of equivalence. Let us see. At this point, I would like to know whether or not you are acquainted with the principle of equivalence, which became Einstein's most celebrated scientific achievement, sustained by the powers of that wizard's creative mind. Are you? This is no kidding. David Hilbert gave up an almost won Nobel Prize because he was very much aware that Einstein audaciously took possession of this knowledge from a Gedanken experiment before general relativity emerged on the event horizon of his even enlarged and awakened consciousness. I urge you to ask for Dr. Porger assistance if you have any doubts about the importance of the principle of equivalence both to physics and mathematics, jointly fundamental. Penrose also links this problem with actualization of potentialities and quantum gravity. And arrêtez, Cirque du Soleil, n'est-ce pas? We have a lot of things here. Anyway, it is time you all focus on a general principle of equivalence, the first axiom of the hyperconnected space we all happen to move in. This is the ultimate principle of equivalence ever, and it was created by Spinoza. The reason why it exists is the same why it acts. This is the invention of Spinoza's genius. The Lord will give him glory forever and ever. Indirectly, I'm stating the importance of the unconscious mind discovered by Freud while approaching a quantum gravity theory. Given the possibility of an equivalence of computing and acting, along with actualization of potentialities caused by quantum gravity, what would remain from Penrose's long Godelian argument, dear friend Odilon? O Senhor enche as vossas vidas de muita luz. The Lord grant you precious light in your lives. Thank you very much, and bye-bye. Odilon, I love you.